Hi guys, my name is Kyler. Welcome to my vlog. Ayun, nagtitingin ako ng bike para sa birthday ko. Sila? Fifi! Paris yung mukha. Yung isa Volkswagen dito. Nagpagupit pala ako kasi malapit na yung pasukan. Na yung araw, bibili kami ng bike and I'm so excited. Go boy!
Okay na po yung bike? Ha? Okay na po yung bike? Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Tata. Thank you, Tita. Sa wakas, nabili ni Mommy Jessica yung bike ko. I'm so happy. At napili kami ng cake para sa birthday ko. Gusto ko yung may flower.
Why?
Meron yung flowers.
Flowers? How about this one? Oh, may flower din. Flower.
Oh, na chocolate. At nakauwi po kami at celebrate kami ng birthday ko at sa happy birthday sa akin. Thank you. In the next day, my cousins came and they were singing a birthday song for me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you for watching my vlog. See you next time.
Okay.